To set up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet, start by going to the Ronin wallet website and clicking on Download. Then select the correct operating system for your device and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, launch the Ronin wallet application and click on Create a new wallet. Then agree to the terms and conditions. You will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Next, create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. After creating your wallet, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can see your account balance, transaction history, and other options. To connect your Ronin wallet to Axie Infinity, click on the account icon in the top right corner of the Axie Infinity website. Then select Ronin Wallet and follow the prompts to link your wallet. To get started with playing Axie Infinity, you will need to deposit some Ether into your Ronin wallet. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and following the instructions. Once you have deposited Ether, you can use it to purchase Axies, items, and other in-game assets. It is essential to keep your seed phrase and password safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in losing your Axies and other assets. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can successfully set up your Axie Infinity Ronin wallet and start playing the game.